Hello developers, today we are going to install Sugar Live build in our VirtualBox. Let's visit Sugar Labs on GitHub. Yeah, this is the link. After that, open Sugar repository. Click on Docs. After that, click on Development Environment. Here we are going to get a setup guide for Sugar Live build. And the download link for Sugar Live build is here. Click on it. We are going to download Sugar Live build ISO file which is of 925 MB. Click on it, save it somewhere, and after that let's open VirtualBox website and download VirtualBox exe file for Windows host machine VirtualBox. Open the website, click on downloads, after that click on Windows hosts, save the VirtualBox file. All the download link for Sugar Live and VirtualBox will be in description, you can see it from there. Let's wait until this VirtualBox gets downloaded. So download is complete now. We are going to open this and install VirtualBox. Click on yes. Click on next, next, yes. Now finally on install. It will be installed on your computer. Click on finish. Now this is the VirtualBox manager. Your might not look similar to mine because I have some guest machine already installed in my VirtualBox. We are going to install Sugar Live build by clicking on new. Now name your guest machine. I am going to name it Sugar Live. Select the ISO file which we have already downloaded. So mine is already there in my disk, so I'm going to cancel this. Select the ISO file. So here I have Sugar Live build ISO file. Check this option, skip unattended installation, and click on next. We are going to allocate some memory to our virtual machine. I'm going to allocate it 2 GB. It is in MB, so 2048 MB means 2 GB. I have 8 CPU cores, so I can allocate at least 4 to my Sugar Live build. Click on next. 20 GB of space will be used by our virtual machine, and it is enough for Sugar Live build. Click on next. After that, click on finish. Now select your virtual machine and click on start. Our virtual machine is powering up. You can use arrow key to navigate. Come down to graphical install and enter. Now it is asking us to select our language. Mine is English, so okay. It is asking us to select our location. Mine is India. Continue. Key map, mine is American English, so let it be. Continue. Now it is asking for host name, which will be used to identify our system to the network. I am going to name it Sugar. You can name it anything. Domain name, let it be empty. After that, you need to provide password for your administrative account. Type in anything, but you must remember it because it will be used when required. Now it is asking for username. I am going to name it sudo shubham. Username for your account, I'm going to name it sudo shubham. It's okay. Now password for the new user, create one. Click on continue. Select this guided user entire disk and press enter. After that again press enter. All files in one system, yes. Now click on finish partitioning and press enter. It is asking to write the changes to disk. Press yes and continue. It will take some time to install this Sugar Live build, therefore I'm going to fast forward the installation process. Use a network mirror, click on no and continue. Now it is asking us to install grub bootloader on a hard disk. Select yes and click on continue. After that select the disk /dev/sda for installing grub bootloader and press continue. Click on continue. Installation is almost done. Now we are in the grub menu. We can select Debian and boot into our Sugar Live. Now it is asking for our credential. Enter your credentials. Mine is sudo shubham and password. Press enter. Now we are going to finish initial setup of Sugar. Click on next. Select your grade. Now this is the home screen of Sugar. You can open any activity from here. I'm going to open browse activity. Let's search Google on it. Here we got the result for Google. Yes, it is working. This part we can use to search our activities. Like there is terminal, we can see terminal from here. Type in anything, ls cd, and we also have logs. All the activities are listed here. Finally, Sugar is installed on our virtual machine. We can close it.